It's been over 2 years since the Mercedes-AMG SL broke cover, but certain tuners keep treating it like a brand new product. Mansory is on this list, and they have just presented yet another take on it. And it is on the flashy side, as you can see in the image gallery below. As expected from this tuner, nearly all main aspects of the car were given an aftermarket refresh. Thus, no matter if we are talking about the exterior, cabin, wheels, or engine, name it, and chances are it bears Mansory's controversial signature, as the new Mercedes-AMG SL 63 was already a brash product, and it has become even flashier here. From all the forged carbon, it may be hard to tell, but the front bumper is stock. Still, it has received multiple add-ons around the central and side air intakes, including an apron. The grille was replaced with a new one that stays true to the Panamericana design, and the hood is new. Contributing to the looks are the extra DRLs mounted below the main clusters. Mansory also signed the side skirt and front fender add-ons and the bits and pieces attached to the OEM rear bumper. These include the more aggressive diffuser that protrudes more into the bumper and cutouts for new exhaust tips featuring a round shape. There's also a trunk lid spoiler and a piece between the taillights that displays the tuner's name. The 3-pointed star logos were also replaced by the tuner's emblem all around. A set of disc-like wheels would be more suitable for a Rolls-Royce or at least a Mercedes-Maybach. Nonetheless, in this instance, they are the alloys of choice when it comes to this Mercedes-AMG SL 63. Featuring the tuner's emblem in the middle, they are a bit larger than the stock ones and have some teal accents on them. The latter shade was also replicated on other components, providing some contrast to the Roadster's gray body. Normally, the cockpit of such a project car would be teal, but this one has a bit too much light blue. From the dashboard panel and center console to the door cards, seats, pillars, and so on, everything has been reupholstered in this lively hue. This Mercedes-AMG SL 63 also gets some yellow accents, including the piping, seat belts, and Mansory logos on the seat backs, headrests, and steering wheel. The tuner's name decorates other parts of the interior, too, like the center console and floor mats. Besides the makeover inside and out, Mansory also offers 2 power boosts for the SL 63. The P720 brings 710 horsepower to the party, and the P850 unlocks 838 horsepower. According to the tuner, the 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration is a 3.4-second affair with the P720 goodies installed and 3.2 seconds with the P850 package up and running, and they top out at 202 and 206 miles an hour, respectively. Without anyone messing around with its internals, the Mercedes-AMG SL 63 needs 3.6 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour and has a 196 miles per hour maximum speed. Powering it is a 4.0-liter biturbo V8 that produces 577 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. The SL 55 enjoys 469 horsepower and 516 lb-ft and is 0.3 slower to 62 while tapping out at 183 miles per hour, 295 kilometers per hour. It takes someone who's really craving the extra attention to drive such a vehicle, especially since it probably costs as much as a brand new supercar. Mansory hasn't mentioned anything about the Benjamins, but the SL 63 has an MSRP of $183,000 in the United States, excluding destination. The lesser SL 55, which also packs a V8, albeit a less punchy one, starts at $141,300, and the 4-pot SL 43 base grade, with its 375 horsepower 2.0L unit, comes from $109,900. We will also remind you that the new generation Mercedes-AMG SL family has recently grown to include the SL 63 SE Performance. It is a plug-in hybrid model with a 4.0-liter biturbo V8 with electric assistance for a total of 805 horsepower and 147 lb-ft of torque. Its 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration takes only 2.9 seconds, and it can do MPH flat out. The electric range is only 8 miles with the 6.1 kilowatt-hour battery fully charged. pricing details for our market will be announced in due course, as the model is expected to reach our shores next spring. Nevertheless, it will probably be around $200,000 or slightly more, considering that the non-hybrid SL63 starts at $183,000. Some believe the new SL63 SE performance might replace the normal SL63, but this information has yet to be confirmed.